Yeah, we're probably not going to get the end of the log, but we'll get everything we got here. Okay, guys, let's get this video rolling. We got our locomotive here, and we got the log already put on the sawmill itself. And we're going to start cutting this thing with this homemade sawmill. Now, we've only used it a couple of times since we built it. There's a couple other things that's going to need to be done to it to complete the sawmill. However, we're going to be doing some more testing and tuning before we say it's a complete setup. So stick around, let's see what happens. We're going to extend the cable out that's on the back of the sawmill that drives it. So you'll probably see me doing a couple of little things like that, moving around, and some unusual stuff that you won't see on a regular sawmill, I guess you could say. So I should edit this part out of the video, but I know there's a few of you that's probably wondering what this is. We'll push the sawmill forward. We'll go ahead and hook it on our little piece of boat we got down here on the end that you're probably not going to be able to see. And I know there's a lot of road noise out there, but it is what it is. There's not much I can do about that. I don't have a lot of property here where we moved to the last year and a half, so we have to work with what we got. It's kind of noisy out here by the highway. I do try to pick times when traffic's not as heavy, but I found that not as heavy is not an option. Alright, I think we got it set up for our first cut. We're going to crank it up and make sure everything's running properly. Get her down a little bit more. I'll turn the water down a little bit. I got it running just a little bit too much. Now let's make another cut. got to kind of watch out if you're looking at the front part of the video. That old handle flying around and around from that boat winch. That's a good thing. It's a good way to break your fingers. So I make sure I keep my fingers and hands away from that when I'm pulling back on the lever that lifts it up and down. Might be something I might change later. Who knows? Let's walk around there and get this slab off of it. I'll show you some pictures of it cleaned off in a minute. Let me make a few more cuts. That should be another nice, pretty nice slab right here. You won't see it till the end. I promise you, I'll get you some pictures. Don't worry. Yeah, I know you didn't get to see the end of it. I didn't have the camera set up where you could, but we got to be careful here because got to make sure that the blade guide roller is going to ride above the clamp that holds the log in place, and I think it will. I think we'll be all right. It sure is nice to get a log and build a homemade sawmill and then turn it into some beautiful stuff just like you see right here. It's just something about that. Here, I'll get you a little bit better shot of them close up. I move my camera around myself. Actually, that cedar's really pretty wood. Now, we've cut maybe 45 cuts with this old blade, and it's damaged. But you know what? That thing has been through some hardwood and a bunch of cedar. And it's still cutting pretty good. It's just not, that one tooth is offset a little bit, not enough, I guess you could say. And there's a picture of the old sawmill. For those of you that are wanting to build one like this or something similar to it, I will be putting some videos out there on the actual dimensions, measurements, and everything else that I've got in it. Once I know I'm happy with all the changes that I'm going to make. So that may be something you want to do, is click on my videos, like, subscribe. So when that video comes out, you'll be one of the first to know about it. And I'll get you all the measurements to take a lot of guesswork out of one when you're building it. If you want to build anything similar to this, 20-foot tracks, 1.25-inch shaft, and I'll give you all the measurements from inside to inside, type of steel I'm using, size of blade, which you already know, 158. But we'll try to give you a little heads up, a little jump start on building your own if you want to build a sawmill. So guys, my name is Larry Spruce. Hit the like, subscribe, thumbs up. Tell all your friends about this video. Let it play as long as you can, so it'll the longer this video plays on your computer, the more people it reaches. That tells YouTube there's some interest in the video. So we appreciate it, man. Leave comments down below in the comment section. That helps us as well. We rely on you as our video viewers to help this video get out there and reach other people, and it helps us in the long run. So guys, thanks for watching. Again, thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Sorry about the background noise. See you in the next video.